Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. I am Torque, and in today's video, we're going to a buddy's shop to check out a few of his cars and to take a test drive in one particular. It's telling me this thing is pretty sick, so come on with me. Let's go. No traction at all. Just spinning and riding. Coming still runs good. But we have made it to where we're going. Check out my buddy's shop. So there it is, guys. We have made it to the shop. Check it out. This is the one that I've heard about. I heard this thing is sick. So it's gonna take us for a little ride in it, hit a few, and we'll check it out. So here's my buddy right here, AD from AD's Garage. You have to check out his YouTube channel. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description below.
What's going on, guys? We're gonna take it for a ride in this Camaro right here. See if we can find somebody to take the gap piece. All right.
That's right. So we'll get to that in a second, but let's have a look around. I heard he has a drag car or something like that he may be selling.
Yeah, I got a number.
Okay, so maybe we can check it out. Maybe get a cold start up or something. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
So let's go check some things out, guys. Here it is, guys, inside AD's Garage.
What's up, boss?
How's it going?
How you doing?
Doing good, doing good.
Ain't seen you in a while, John. You working hard?
Yeah, trying.
I hear you, brother.
Got the Fox body up on the lift. That's a pretty sharp little car, convertible. There it is, one of the drag cars. I can promise you they don't drive it with the door off like that. It would be fun though.
Doors in the trailer.
Yep. Another one. I think we may be able to get a cold start up on this one right here. I think this one is actually for sale. He might actually have it sold today, actually, but there it is. Look at the girthiness of that tire. I bet this thing launches hard. Has the proof right there that it does launch hard. Really, boss. Now, does it tote the wheels?
Oh man, last time I drove this car, I didn't think the wheels were gonna come back down. It was near half track.
So y'all heard it for yourselves. It'll tote the wheels. Alright, guys, finna get a cold start on it. I don't know. You might have to protect your ears. Here it goes, I warned you. Got the digital number there. Here it goes. I don't know if you guys can hear me. This thing is loud. Sounds good. I don't know if y'all can hear me with the thing running, but it's loud, but it sounds amazing. But that's awesome. That's what's making all the noise, guys. There it is.
All aluminum, 421.
It says all aluminum 421. About how many horsepower you think it's pushing?
Probably about 850.
About 850 horsepower. That's pretty nice. Look at that hood. He's toting it around like it don't weigh nothing.
It don't, it's fiberglass.
Yep. Weight reduction. There it is, guys. Professionally done. That's sweet. I don't know if I should let y'all look at this here. Shoulda. This is the project that he's been working on his channel. 54 Chevrolet, right?
Yep.
Chevrolet. 54 Chevy. He's actually tearing it down and going to do a complete restoration on it. You can see now it's not in the best of shape, but I'm looking forward to seeing what it turns out to look like in the very near future. So do tune in to his channel once again. It's A&D Garage. But I believe we're getting ready to check out this SS Camaro now and take it for a spin. But before we do the SS Camaro, can we take a ride on this? Nah. It is cold start up on the 392 Scat Pack Challenger, yeah. This thing looks amazing and sounds amazing. Maybe one day we get to do a review on it. I'll try to hook you up. Alright guys, get ready to do a cold start up on the Camaro. That thing sounds sick. Got the hand shaker in it. It just rides so smooth. Hard to believe that this thing could tear the road up, but I done already heard about it. Thing just keep pulling. Yeah, not bad at all. What you guys think? I don't know if the camera can pick it all up, but this thing's nasty. Really hooks and goes because it's got the drag radials on it. I mean, it had a little bit of wheel spin, but for the most part, I mean, it hooks and goes and actually gets on down the road. Take a quick break. See the police. 5-0. Yeah. That's 50 miles an hour.
50 mile an hour pull.
Yeah, trying to hold the camera, but when it hooks, it hooks. And we're going backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just say it's 50 miles an hour. Just be on the safe side.
50 mile an hour.
Yeah, 50. Yeah, so the driver confirmed it.
Yeah, 50 mile an hour. Don't want to be speeding down here.
That's right, that's right. This thing makes a lot of power. And it's kind of unexpected. I mean, it does look sick from the red light, but you don't expect for it to launch so hard, rather. So, got the advantage. See him out on the streets. So as you can see, this car is actually factory blue. They went with the matte white wrap. Man, this thing looks amazing with that wrap, with the black top, as you can see. Yep. Like I said, it runs. That was pretty fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed riding along with me in AD Garage's 650 horsepower Whipple Camaro with the satin white wrap and those gold accented rims. I'm assuming that's gold. Maybe it's kind of copper looking. But anywho, that thing is sick looking and it actually rides amazing. It just hooks and goes. But if you haven't subscribed already, do hit that subscribe button and hit the like button and the push notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome content that I come out with in the future. And until next time.